Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about when to use yet do return while using satisfy annotation in Mockito. So let's get started. This is not scratch video, it is continuation video JUnit playlist to understand when to use yet do return while using satisfy annotation in Mockito. First, I will read documentation, official documentation of Mockito, and I will explain through one test method or test case. Here, this official documentation link I will provide in description. The JUnit link I will provide in description. See here, sometimes it's impossible or impractical to use when object for stubbing spices. Spice. That means sometimes it is not possible to use when. I will show why not is not possible. So I am creating now one test case, public void spy test spy test spy check. So after that here we need to add here list is taken linked list. So copy these two lines. So list is equal to new linked list generics. Control C O for imports. So here now now list spy is equal to spy list. That means list spy is equal to Mockito dot spy. We can also import static imports, but I am calling through class name. This is the Mockito is a class name. This is the method name. We need to pass this list, or we can also directly use yet spy annotation. Previously we are using right here. Like also we can use else we can also use like this. So suppose generic I am passing. It is recommended string. So this list expecting string. After that Mockito dot when Mockito dot when spy dot get. So I am passing 0, then return. It is expecting string, right? So I'm suppose it is expecting string name. So I am giving my name Shankar. See here what is saying. Sometimes it's impossible or impractical to use when object for stuffing spices. That means this is the setting expectations are setting. You can copy here. Setting expectations are stuffing. So this is called setting expectations are stuffing. It is saying sometimes it's impossible or impractical to use when. So sometimes it is not possible to use when to stub the objects. Let's see what will happen now. So right click run as JUnit. Right click run as JUnit. Save. See test spy check. This is our test class, but here we are forgetted. So it will be ignore. Do one thing. Test control as. So again right click run as JUnit. Now Spring Boot application is starting. First Spring Boot application will be start. After that, test cases will be run. Wait some time. This Spring Boot application is starting. If all test cases are passed, we will get tick mark, else we will get into mark. See, wait some time. Test cases will be completed. See, we got the tick into mark. It is saying out of bound exception. Out of bound exception. Here, go to read. Sometimes it's impossible or impractical to use when object for stumping spy objects. Therefore, when using spy, please consider do return or answer or throws family of methods for stumping. So, see, sometimes it is when it is not possible to use while using spy object, then see, we are writing same code, right? Then we are getting index out of bound exception. See here, we are getting out of bound exception, index out of bound exception. It is saying you will also get index out of bound exception. Then some cases you need to use do return for stubbing. So we need to use do return for stubbing. It is saying use the do return for stubbing. Then Mockito dot do return object. Suppose this is the string object. String we are passing dot here do return string object when spy dot get. So we need to pass spy dot get of 0. So spy is saying sometimes when sometimes not possible to use when, those times we need to use Mockito dot return or answer or here. Sometimes it's impossible or impractical to use when for stubbing spy. Therefore, when using spy, please consider do return or answer or throw family of methods for stubbing. Example is given. So while using when, if you are getting any error, then please consider Mockito dot do return. It is saying, let's check it is working or not, this is still passing or not. So in this video, we have successfully understand what to use spy and what to use do return, when to use do return while using spy. So now Spring Boot application is starting. Wait some time. Our application will be started. Here, tick mark. That means all test cases are passed. So now I will commit my changes to Git Repo. Here it is important. Now I did some, so I am developed some code, right? So I will commit my changes. Every developer in every company, every day, after completion of work, they will do commit. So like this similar way. So get started to know which files we are modified. So I modified this file. After that, git star dot or star means all files. We are adding to staging area. If you check git status, so we are on branch develop. Now staged, it is there in staging area. Git commit -m. So if you have JIR ID, you can enter. I don't have any JIR ID right now. I'm adding date as a, like date as a JIR ID 2024. So I'm giving like spy and do return methods. These two methods related something. Our choice. This message is our choice. So I am added some message. After that, I am pushing git push. So I will provide JUnit link and Mockito documentation in description. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.